Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Let's jump into today's install and review, shall we? We gotta give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Ashimary hair. I love them. You guys know this. This is where I gave myself the nickname Ponytail Wig from them, because all I do is review ponytail wigs from them. I love that they love me reviewing these wigs because I love reviewing these wigs. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch brown balayage Invisi strap highlight glueless frontal wig. This wig comes with the adjustable Invisi straps that you just pull and you secure the wig, so it gives you the option to wear it up in a ponytail or bun life. It gives you the option to wear it however which way you want. It's like you and the wig become one because you're wearing it like a wig, but it's really like it's your own hair.
My gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to take. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Just like a tattoo.
I like to spray my wig down with some lace tinting spray. I'm using my I'm using my DIY version. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I also like to spray it on the back lace because that also needs to match my complexion. Okay, this is what she's looking like now. Wig cap is not necessary. We have this little ear tab. I love this ear tab. When you see this shape of ear tab, you know it's gonna be good install. Position it. Now these ear tabs stick a lot better when you don't have any makeup on. So when you're applying your ear tab, if you actually want the tape to like stick really well, don't have any makeup underneath. Okay, and we're gonna peel it up. And stick. And how easy is that? I definitely want to comb out the curls a little bit. It feels so soft, like my hands are actually just running through it like butter. Okay, yes, this is what I expect from my peoples, okay? Because Ashimary is my peoples. This is a nice wig. Oh my goodness. And you know what, to be honest, I've noticed an improvement with the wig cap. They used to be like extremely tight and now it just fits perfectly. Perfect fit, perfect everything. We're definitely gonna do a half up, half down. We're gonna do a ponytail and then classic bun because you just have to. Still glueless, okay? Frontal wigs are not made the same way like they used to be made. So if you've never installed a frontal wig before, you can install one now because they come with drawstrings, they come pre-cut. All I did was stick the tapes. That's it. And that's what we have, and clean up the part. You can do that at home. Anyone can do that at home. So don't be intimidated by a frontal wig because now it's just super easy.
Stars lighting up the night and a shooting star so vibrant. You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain because you're just high on life.
Do want some baby hair. It's not a lot, but you know, the right amount. The Kezzy amount. So how cute was that style? Super cute. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. So now we're gonna put it up. And any of these type of half up styles, your hot comb will truly be your best friend, as well as like some mousse. I've been really enjoying styling my wigs with mousse, and this is the one that I like to use by Tresemme. It works really well for slicking that hair back, but it also doesn't leave it like super tough.
Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way?
And we're just gonna put it everywhere. Just lather it up. Yeah, they really did a good job at plucking the hairline on this wig. Like, it actually looks like it's my hair. Get your favorite claw clip and stick that there. It's just gonna give you extra volume that maybe would have been more difficult to form without it. No, this is so cute, you guys. It's giving me like, I don't know, old school vibes, like 2000s.
Nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time.
Just when I thought I wouldn't like the next style better, I do. Okay, we're gonna do the easy way to put the ponytail. So I like to keep that original ponytail and just scoop everything else in.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave.
See how easy that is? And just add it to your existing ponytail.
Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay.
If you want your bun to lay really flat, your ponytail to lay flat, make sure your own hair is not bulging out at the back there.
I've been down in the ruins.
And I love the fact that it's still glueless and it lays actually very flush to the head and it feels very comfortable.
You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been.
And last but not least, for the bun, super easy. Just take it and twist. And that's it. Let's see the back. Tell me what the back is looking like, guys. It's looking cute, right? Yeah. Okay, so my final thoughts on this wig is it is absolutely beautiful. I ate it up in the ponytail style. We ate it up in the bun style and tossed over, bust down middle part. Like, you can't go wrong. All the styles that I love, I actually adored how they looked on me. I love the tone of the brown. It's very much on the cool side. It's not a warm tone brown, which gives this the perfect look and feel for me. I am obsessed with this and I love me a dark root. Anything ombre, I'm sold. Ombre dark root, that is a bit of me, guys. I am obsessed, and you can see how full this wig is. Super full density. Of course it gets a 10 out of 10 for me. If you want to know if this wig is caviarkezzy approved, most definitely is. I definitely recommend you guys should check them out. And if you want to find the link to this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out before you go. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the wig and install today and the different looks that we did. Let me know if you had a favorite style or if there's a style that you might want me to try. You can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you guys. If you haven't followed me already on Instagram, please do do so and follow me on TikTok. All my social medias are going to be linked in the description box as well. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching.